Wow. Thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel and by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. Thank you so much for those ones who are watching right now. Our friends in Senegal, Abu Dhabi, Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. We love you so much, and if you're watching right now, thank you so much. Now let's take a look on how we can do repair, and mostly when you're doing repair, there's some steps that we always have to take. One, these are the extended threads. So if I'm going to do the repair, the first thing I have to do is to wash the hair. Then when you wash the hair, you do the treatment. After doing the treatment, it's when you get your your towel. You don't put some on the dryer when it comes to these extended dreads, the dreads with extension. You don't put some on the dryer before you have locked hair. So you just bring a towel and you make it dry without any dryer. Yeah, you leave it to wet a bit so that you can lock someone without pain. So after you have to be with a gel. I told you gel helped me a lot. So gel is always my number one when I'm going to do the repair. You can see how it looks, and she had spent like 3 months without doing repair. So this is how we are going to do it. So I'm going to show you like what it means someone to repair. Like when you repair, those are the things that you do to make someone feel like, yeah, I got a new look. So after repairing, I'm going to show you what to do after. After repairing, we have to style it so that you see it perfectly, so that you can see it very perfect. So I want you to be very careful and take a look on how I do all these things I'm doing. So this is how I keep on locking, and trust me, you're going to learn a lot from this. So when I reach here, you can see how the front looks. The growth was a lot. So I'm going to show you the steps that you can use when you're doing the front. You see how it looks, but trust me, you're going to see nothing. You're going to see amazing work. So when I'm doing the front, I be very careful, because that's what I know that will give a credit to someone. So my gel, it is still helping me, because I told you I always use the gel because it helped me on collecting most of the hair, so that I can collect it together. See, when there's still some space, you can still lock twice. And there are those people who do cross locking. Yes, just like a cross, but for me, I'm doing the V locking, and I will be showing you on my other videos on how you can do the cross locking and why you should do it. So this one I'm doing the V locking because my growth is still, it's not that far. So it's just 3 months, and it can still do without the cross locking. You see how I'm doing it, and please try always to be gentle whenever you're locking in front. So this is how you keep on doing it. And guys, I told you, you have to wash. After washing plus the treatment, use a towel. Don't put some on the dryer. When you're done with the dryer, when you're done with the towel, then you come and do what, and start locking when you have the gel in your hand. So this is how you should keep on doing it. Shout out to my friend in US. Thank you so much. I get our viewer who always watch us in Mexico. We love you. We love you so much. Thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper. And guys, this is it. I'll make sure that even if in the quarantine, we shall be learning more of the things so that we get to learn, and after this at least we shall be having the knowledge of doing our own things when we're at home or with our friends. So whenever you see something like this, please try to do it yourself also, so that you make sure that you practice it by the way you saw it. Try to practice it, because that one help a lot. So this is how you do it. When you see some space, please try to lock it again, as you're saying how I'm doing. So this one help a lot, and your dreads repair is going to be very neat. So please try to tap subscribe so that we do this together. And most of the times when I'm done,
take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.
Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread,
oh yeah,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie.
Millie Dread, Millie Dread.
I'm going to show you how you can style it. So please don't forget to subscribe, and we do this more and more. So after the anti-itchy oil, I'm going to style it for you, but don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, this is going to do for us. Wow. So now I'm going to show you how you can style hair zipper forever. See you.
Girl, no hustle.
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
oh yeah,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread.
oh yeah. I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely dread. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
oh yeah,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread.
oh yeah. I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely dread. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread.
oh